gonna be the perfect everyday look. Oh my god, I can't wait.
You got it, girl, you got it.
Hi you guys, I hope y'all can see me. I'm a little sick, so we're gonna ignore that. I'm gonna ignore that. I'm snacking on these snacks from Dollar Tree that I was like, I'm gonna try. They're like tahini toasted corn. It tastes like corn chips with tahini on them. That's all. So today I'm doing a do my makeup backwards challenge. These are my nails. Just want y'all to make sure y'all see those. Just did these. These are press-ons. And these are acrylics. These acrylics are old, but they're still so pretty together. I'm not doing eyeshadow, so that's the little trick, because I kind of wanted to save myself from messing up. Let's get started. We're going backwards. So, first thing we're going to start with is our setting spray. We're putting on foundation today, you guys. Oh my god, this is crazy. Let me zoom y'all in so y'all can really see this masterpiece that's about to go down. There we go, I'm in the middle now. If y'all see me looking past you, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. Let's go.
Like there's something on my face.
Love that. And then I also do hydrating face mist. This is what's supposed to mesh my makeup together. Right now we just have a wet natural face. I don't have any brows on, so I'm doing brows on this video. They shouldn't take that long because I've been practicing doing my brows, and I got this new brow pencil from Essence. It's the Micro Precise Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil, 1.5 millimeter slim tip. It is in the color dark brown 03. That's what it looks like. It looks used already because I really be using my makeup. Almost started doing that. So I wrote down all my steps. I wrote them down in the normal way, and then I redid them, so it made sense. So the first thing we're gonna do is powder our nose to keep on our foundation and concealer. This is gonna be more entertainment for you guys than me teaching you, because obviously I wouldn't teach anybody to do this backwards. Now, unless I find some gold in here.
We'll see.
Now we're gonna do bronzer. I have nothing else on my face and I'm doing bronzer. So I'm just taking my normal bronzer. Really doing this video for you guys. Like, love me. Gotta do the nose. Okay. Blush. Okay. We're gonna use the same. I don't want to tell you guys this. It really doesn't matter. Bronzer from the Sonia Kashuk palette. It's like years old, so this is gonna go with my bronzer. That's why I use the same brush. I'm gonna go in with bronzer. I don't know why. This is gonna be a joke, okay? This is gonna be a joke. So then I do rose spray. Oh, hold on. I don't know why I'm so worried about blending. This is really gonna be a crap show. So while it's kind of wet, I'm gonna do highlight. Now I usually do highlight under my foundation anyway, so this isn't that weird, but still a little weird because this isn't what I mean when I say under my foundation. This ain't ever what I mean. Yeah, I don't see my normal thing, so I'm just gonna take this Ienvy beauty blender, put a little bit of that rose spray on it. Just on the tip, because I'm probably not gonna use this to you know, I probably will use this to blend out my foundation. Oh my god, this would be so cute. Like if I just could keep it like this. This would be so cute. I like doing makeup like this, like without foundation. But like everything else, because I feel like it just turns out very well. Even my like powder and contour on my nose doesn't even look that bad. So that's kind of making me happy. I'm gonna be cooking late again. Cause it's 8:36. This video is already 10 minutes long. Cute. And now to lashes. Oh my god, I've never done lashes before, my eyebrows before. Like ever. And then I'm using these lashes from La Fleur. This is the style and everything. I love these lashes though. Oh my god. I love these lashes though, but I'm not doing them justice with this makeup look. This is not about to do them justice. So sorry. So sorry. And of course I'm not putting them on to last, so I'm just gonna do one little thin line on my lashes. I feel so cute right now, like oh my god. Like oh my god. Okay, it's rose spray again. I love this look. It's gonna be so perfect. For every day. It's gonna be the perfect everyday look. Oh my god, I can't wait. Okay, foundation. Makeup Forever. Why 455? Oh my god, I am crying inside of my body. Let me just go wet this real quick. Like this is real for real. Okay. So just for kicks and giggles, I'm gonna put a little bit of this highlight in my foundation, and then I also want to lighten it up with a little bit of my concealer. No, I don't. Never mind. We are not in the winter yet. I'm gonna take the back of this brush and just mix all that together, and then apply it. That was the cough of fear. Okay, so oh, you guys, if this turns out good, I might do this again. So I mostly use my foundation as like concealer anyway, so I'm not like putting it on like how you might have thought I was, like with the whole all over the face, but it's on a good majority. So it still sucks, but you know, whatever. Oh yeah, right over that. I'm really trying to keep from touching everything else, but it's very hard with this big old beauty blender. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Right over that bronzer. Yup. We won't look patchy later. What is that? What is patchy? Oh yeah, right over the undone brows. We won't look patchy later. No, but oh, I need to put my highlighter in this foundation more often. Oh wow, that has just completely dry on top of that powder on my nose. Can y'all see that? It like kind of made like a little patch of like, oh my god. What the heck? Ew. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. No, my nose looks weird. It looks like I have like a rash right here. Oh my god, no. I like want it to look good. That's mostly where I put foundation. I don't put foundation on my forehead. It's just not something I do. Forehead is big enough. Foundation is on the complete good areas that I wanted it to be on. This doesn't look as bad though. Like, if we're gonna be honest, I don't hate it. I don't hate it at all. And that beauty blender is amazing. So it kind of like blended everything in. You can still see my blush, my contour, my bronzer. You can still see my highlight. Like, and I went all over the highlight, and it's concealer. Wait. I was supposed to do concealer first. Sorry, you guys, I suck. Oh yeah, I have to conceal the brows. What brows, you might ask? Exactly. I'm using my Fawn LA Pro Girl concealer and my yellow corrector, mixing those two together to make me a concealer shade. And we're gonna go in with our pencil that I showed y'all earlier. Quickly do this and get this out of the way for you guys. Okay, and I'm taking more concealer and just concealing all my mess ups, because I always have a lot on this brow for some reason. Okay, you guys, well, I'm done. I'm wearing a little bit of this satin gloss in the middle of my lips by Victoria's Secret. Got it on their semi-annual. It was like $2 or $3. And then my pink gloss. I made this gloss as like little sparkles in it, if y'all can tell. Not sure if I'm going to be making that like professionally yet. I have to try out a new formula with new products. I made that one with a different formula and I don't love it, so that's why I packed it on with a different one. But yeah, y'all see creasing, right? You see that? So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, I do anything for you guys. And like, subscribe, comment, watch one of my old videos or watch a new video. Pick one. Either one you want to see. It's most likely you're going to want to see a past video because I got several videos in catalog for you guys. I would really love it if you would watch them. I have a couple nail videos, a couple DIYs, a college tour. I got all these cool things. And I'm definitely coming with another DIY video. That's going to be my next video. Yeah, and that's going to be in addition to my apartment room tour thing. So yeah, thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.
You got it, girl, you got it.